best way to start designing your project is to design it wrong. Designing it wrong isn't the goal, getting started is the goal. It's taking that wrong start and moving towards something that's better and better, iterating on that design. That's where the challenge comes in. If you've spent a lot of time designing and building something, you don't want to change it very easily. You're invested in it. But a 3D printer makes making modifications on that really easy and low cost. Here's an example of what I mean. I wanted to make a stand for this screen so it could sit on my desk. My first attempt was very simple, just a bracket that it could mount to and hopefully stand squarely. That first design didn't work quite like I was expecting. I decided to put an angle on the bracket so that the screen could sit tilted a little bit to give me better access. It gave me the right angle for the screen, but the screen overhangs a little bit, so it was top heavy and it wanted to fall forward. So I made another iteration that put a foot out in front of it. But the foot didn't seem as strong as I'd like. So I made a new version where I increased the thickness of the foot and put this support in. Now the screen is much more stable. I'm pretty happy with the final design. It's strong, stable, and works just like I intended. Using 3D printing, I was able to go through all these iterations of design in a few hours and end up with something that really worked quite well.